Hello everyone, in this video I'll be explaining you about the virtual assistant. So I planned it as a series, like I'll be giving you a playlist where in each videos I'll be explaining you some concepts of virtual assistant building. So now let me run and show you the program. So
Good
the
evening.
basic
I am Nima.
date,
Today's date is April 7th, 2024.
time,
The current time is 20 hours and 52 minutes.
stop.
Goodbye.
So this is basically the working of our virtual assistant through functions. So now let us build our virtual assistants through only functions, and then we'll be implementing NLP in here, and we'll be developing it as a big virtual assistant like Google Assistant called, what is that called? I forgot. Siri. Siri is Alexa, right? So Alexa is Amazon and Siri, right? Siri. Okay, we'll be building like that. So this is going to be our first step in that. So I'll be explaining you each line of code where you'll be getting it very clear. Okay, so I hope you have heard what it spoke. It might not be audible because of the since the computer itself is speaking, you might not be audible that much. If you run the same program in yours, you will be surely getting it. I'll be posting it in GitHub and you can directly run the program. Okay, so this is gonna be the first line. PyTTS6 is the package is used for text to speech, conversion of text to speech. Okay, then date time is for retrieving the date time. Okay, so the next is speech recognition as SR. Speech recognition as SR is basically for recognizing the way you speak. Okay, recognizing speech. Next, engine is equal to TDS x3.init. So basically we are initializing this and we are storing that in the variable engine. So next, voices. So we have to give voices to our assistant, right? So for that we'll be voices is equal to engine.get property of voices. For that we'll be using this get property of voices by the variable engine. First we are initializing and storing it in the variable called engine. Then we are getting the property like engine.get property of voices. Then using that voices you are setting the property engine.set property of voice comma voices of 0. So voices of 1. 1 is a female voice and 0 is a male voice, and only 2 voices you can use. Okay, so as I told, there are only two voices. First, we are setting a variable called engine, and we are initializing text to speech. Okay, so we are converting that. Yeah, we are putting that in a variable called engine. Then voices is equal to engine dot get property of voices. So what happened? Then engine dot set property of voice, comma voices of one dot id. Okay, then def speak of audio. So audio is something which will be coming across afterwards. Audio is here, right? So I'll be telling you that. So I'll be telling afterwards. So def speak of audio means like audio here it is recognizing take command. So I'll be explaining this just for now. Audio is where the words we speak. Okay, speak of audio and it is saying that audio. So engine not wait and run. Okay, so this is a basic function speak. I'll be explaining later. After completing the audio, you'll be understanding it. So clear. So next, wish me. So wish me is a function where once I run the program, I'll be getting a command, right? So I am la or something else, and tell me how can I help you like that. So in that, I must say like good morning or good afternoon or good evening. For that, I'm using wish me function. Okay, so har is equal to datetime dot datetime dot datetime dot har. Now dot har is the is a function which is used to retrieve the hour current hour. So if hour is some function you know, right? So less than 12 means it is good morning, or something means it is good afternoon, else good evening, like a basic thing which everyone knows, right? So say that and speak. I am Nella. I'm in natural. So I named it Nella because I like that name. and that is called interactive live assistant. And so Nila is natural interactive live assistant. So I like, named it and I gave the abbreviation. Does not some existing impression. Okay. So and I think this is really over. And def wish me har is equal to date time dot now of har. So it's retrieving the har and it is checking the hour which hour is this, and it is saying good morning or good afternoon or good evening, and it is speaking what it is. I hope you understand this function very well. And the next thing, def take command. So here comes the like interesting part. So def take command. So we'll be moving in this function where r we are like naming a variable r dot sr dot r is equal to sr dot recognizer. So we are initializing and setting that to variable r. So which basically means recognizer. We are initializing the recognizer. What is the recognizer? Which recognizes the speech. So speech recognition only, right? From this there is a package. There is a like there is something called sr dot recognizer, which recognizes what you speak. With sr dot microphone as source. From microphone as source, you recognize. Okay. So we are considering microphone as source. Then r is equal to sr recognizer with sr microphone as source print listening. So once it is initialized print listening, then r dot pass underscore threshold is equal to 1, which basically means when the pass underscore threshold is like we give a pause in between, right? So when that second is equal to 1, you like after that it will be considering it will be again recognized. So I hope you understand. It will wait until that pass underscore threshold of 1, which is basically 1 second. It will be waiting for 1 second until you like give a break. Okay. After that, like before, it will be waiting like for 1 second till you complete. I hope you understand. Like there is a time gap between the words you speak, right? If that time gap is 1 second, it will be like pass underscore threshold is equal to 1. Then it will be recognizing. Only if that time is 1 second, it will be continuing recognizing. Okay. Then R audio is equal to R listen of source. So which basically means we are listening and recognizing. So here, as I told in Zin, so this audio we'll be passing here. Speak of audio. So recognizing the audio. So in that function speak, we'll be like saying of that audio and run and wait. We'll be running that audio and we'll be waiting. So I'll be running this program again.
Good evening. I am Mila, your natural interactive assistant. Please tell me how can I help you?
Date.
Today's date is April 7th, 2024.
Stop.
Goodbye.
Here you'll be like you will be nicely seeing that it waited for 1 second, like it passed for 1 second, so that is pass underscore threshold. Okay. So then like what do I say, I stopped at this, right? So speak of audio, engine dot say of audio, engine dot run and wait. Okay. So this is basically speak function. I hope I have explained you clearly about speak function, and take command also explained you clearly. So it is recognizing, it is like SR recognize is used for recognizing, and SR microphone is used as to hear the words you speak, and it is recognizing, and that audio is gonna speak, and that speak will be initialized only after this unknown. So I'll be explaining this. Okay. So next try print recognizing query is equal to r dot recognize underscore Google audio. So this audio will be recognizing. Okay. That audio from the source will be recognizing here, and language is equal to en underscore. This basically means English India. Okay. So I am from India. So this is English from India. So next print recognizing and query is equal to r dot recognize underscore Google of. So here or recognize underscore Google, since speech recognition is a package by Google, and recognize underscore Google will be getting the API from Google, and it will be recognizing the words which you say. So this basically is done here. Okay, print if used like it is basically like user said and something else, right? You can see user said and something query and the next line. So query is basically we are getting it here, right? So we'll be passing that query into here. Okay. So print if exception basically means if you cannot understand anything or if nothing is said, you'll be printing like can you say that again please. And next you'll be going into here. So this basically means like if name underscore name is equal to underscore main, basically means this like this notebook should be initialized, this workspace should be initialized before running it, right? So we are using if underscore name is equal to me just because of that. Wish me function is here, right? So then query is equal to take command dot lower. So all the commands which you said will be under the lower case. So for that we are using this and we get the query from here, right? So while true, query is equal to take command of dot lower. Sorry, uh, if date in query, if user set date in query, then today date is equal to we are storing that in a variable, and in that after that you'll be saying today's date and something like that. So speak as I told, speak no place here. Speak of this. Okay. If speak of something was in here, it will be like speak of audio. So incident dot say of audio. Okay. Then incident dot run and wait. So after speaking, it will be running and waiting. Okay. Speak of speak here. I hope you understand. This is plays a major role. Okay. Then speak of today's date is today's date, and else if time or something else, it will be like current time is current time. And if you set to stop in query, it will be saying goodbye. So this is basically a function which is working here. I explained you about clearly about retrieving the date time in this virtual assistant. In my next parts, I'll be explaining you about opening Google, opening YouTube, searching Wikipedia, and calling someone. You know, it's a really fun part, and like, there are many things we can do with this virtual assistant. I'll be teaching you part by part. So wait, okay, okay. Thank you for watching this video fully. Thank you. Let me meet you in another video like this. Okay, bye.